Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Rapid Chess here with the video of the day, and today I decided to show you another Rook endgame. So very typical endgame. Black is just pawn up. Pawns are on one flank, so I think it's in favor for white. And the position is a draw, but of course black is trying to win. And in this position they played a more risky move, king to d4. So they are sacrificing a pawn. Notice that this rook on a2 pins the f2 pawn and e3 is a threat. So I don't know, if you play something like king to e6, so white will just wait here, not with this move but with king f1, yeah, and the problem is that your king cut off, so black played here. So if white takes, for instance, yeah, then there is this e3 move with two ideas basically, to play e2, and then white cannot stop this pawn from advancing to queening, and there is also idea of exchange of rooks on f2 and winning their position. So that is why white didn't take the pawn. They played king to g1, just removing from this pin and getting ready to take on e3. Black played f4, and if white takes, then black wins with first move rook to a1, king, for instance, if king g2, then f3, king h2, and there are many options like rook f1 and win the pawn. So so in this position, that's why white didn't take. They took here and played rook to b1, protecting the last rank. And in this position, black played the best move, king to d3. Now they getting ready to go with king to e2 and then threaten this f2 pawn. So king to f1, protecting the e2. And in this position, very nice move, f3. It's always in chess, many times it happens, then even if there is an endgame, you can still win with certain mate threats, yeah, and with f3, this king becomes caged, yeah. So white played king to e2, and according to engine, the position is extremely winning. So the easiest win here is king to c2, because king here is under attack and rook cannot go anywhere. There will be mate on a1. So white played rook to d1, and in this position rook to a6 decides. Here again white cannot move because rook a1 mate, so they go back, and rook to h6 attacking from the other side of the board, and in this position white resigned. Alright, thank you very much and see you next time.